Chef Katherine here with another easy, delicious meal that you have to try. These are turkey zucchini halves. Let me show you how to make them. You're gonna take your zooks, put it on your cutting board, and we're gonna cut them lengthwise down the center. Now, we are going to remove the seeds from these zucchinis just to create a little bit of a boat, if you will, so that the ground turkey mixture nicely nestles in. I'm gonna do this with all three of these, and then I'll be back to tell you the next step. So now we're gonna prep our ground turkey with our flavors and spices. We have a pound of ground turkey, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, paprika, salt and pep. Now, so much easier to do this with a glove. Just get in there, mix it all together. You don't want to over-mix it, but just make sure you get all of those flavors and spices evenly distributed. Before we stuff our zucchini, we are going to preheat the TurboBlaze for 4 minutes at 370. While that's heating, we're gonna fill our boats. Nope, while that's heating, we're gonna fill our While that's preheating, we are going to fill our zucchini halves. Take a zucchini, I'm gonna get a pretty good amount of ground turkey here, all along the top. You want to kind of flatten it out. Looks nice. You kind of ball it up in your hand a little bit first. Makes it easier to spread. I have 3 zucchinis, so 6 halves. And this is a good amount of turkey per half, which is nice. Filling. I'm gonna fill the rest of these up, and then I'm gonna show you how to cook them. Ready to go. So these zucchini look pretty full, but as they cook, the meat does shrink down a little bit, but it's still a good zucchini to ground turkey ratio. Basket. Put our boats in. Put our halves in. There's so much room. And we are going to set it for 13 minutes. And then with 5 minutes remaining, we're gonna open that up and top it with cheese to finish it off. Okay, 5 minutes left. Let's open this up. Generous amounts of cheese always. And we're gonna pop it back in for those last 5 minutes. It'll be time to eat. Oh my gosh, these look so bomb. Wow. That cheese is, oh my gosh, did you see that pull? Let's garnish with little parsley. Looks nice, gives it a little extra color. Let's try it. Oh my gosh, it's like crispy on top. The crust from an air fryer kind of blows my mind. Oh my gosh, look at that cheese rolling in. Oh. So good, so flavorful. You guys have to make this recipe. It's so good, so easy, crowd pleaser. Like, comment below, let us know what you think. Let us know if you prefer stuffed zucchini boats or filled zucchini halves. We want to know. We can't wait to see you guys again soon. Bye.